Oh, umbrella. Kapuli. Oh, no.
Wait, and the back people can't see it.
Yeah, we don't cannot.
Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep a chit-chat sessions to learn more about our feathered jewels. The Pool's Amphitheater to your right features the High Flyers show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances.
Umbrella you keep. Keep umbrella not get lost.
Yeah, okay.
Coming up to your left are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet which helps maintain the color of their plumage. To your right is the wetlands, home to the impressive shoebill and other birds dependent on some of the world's most rapidly disappearing habitats. Spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery, designed to simulate an observation hide. To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oversized bills to reach fruits on thin branches. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Hornbill Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which include dances and balls.
Ini kan tidak kesel. Jalan-jalan kesel.
We are about to make our
Sepi.
first
Oh iya sepi.
Tram Station 2. We invite you to take a stroll through Lorry Loft, the world's largest lorry-free flight aviary. If you would like to feed the lorries, please purchase a cup of lorry feed from our staff. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey.
Thank you. Welcome to Station 2. You may alight on your right for the lorry loaf bird feeding. Philippine Eagle, straight ahead. Thank you.
Enggak, mau turun-turun.
Oh, nggak mau turun.
Turun. Nah. Nggak harus turun kok.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride.
Guys, I'm
You are
good.
now off to visit Waterfall Aviary, the largest walk-in aviary in our park. To your left, the birds of prey. Here, you will find the majestic Philippine eagle, the tallest and one of the largest eagles in the world. Their talons are so strong, they can lift a monkey off a tree. Besides their sharp talons, birds of prey are also known for their superb eyesight and strong beaks. Catch out the birds of prey in action at the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily at the Hong Arena.
Tepuk tangan mana tepuk tangan?
To your right, jungle jewels, where you will find many South American birds, including the brightly colored sun tigers. In the wild, they are trapped for their feathers using illegal pet. Chill out at the Bird Discovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Look out for the flightless cassowary at Union on your left. The solitary cassowary is easily identified by its patch on its head. The emu can grow as tall as 1.9 meters. It is the second tallest bird in the world. To your right, the pelican cove. Join Pelican Chit Chat at 2 p.m. daily to watch how pelicans feed. We are now approaching the waterfall aviary. Go bird watching in the aviary and try to spot as many birds as you can. Participate in a feeding session to enjoy a close encounter with the feathered kind. Be sure to visit one of the world's tallest man-made waterfalls for photo opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at Tram Station. Remember to take all the belongings and keep your tickets placed.
Hello.
Welcome to Station 3. You may alight on your left. You may alight on your right. Waterfall Avery straight ahead. Thank you.
Welcome back on board. We are now heading to Parrot Paradise, where you can view the extremely rare unicorns. Jurong Bird Park is the only wildlife institution in the world where you can admire all the 3 species of unicorns.
Iya, iya,
And
ini.
learn more about them.
Ditakut.
The Spix macaw, which inspired the movie Rio, is probably extinct in the wild. There are just over 150 of them left, all on human hair. Explore Parrot Paradise to discover more about a hunter
Belum makau ya. Belum makau.
Welcome to Station 4. Right to see our blue Macau and parrot paradise. Thank you. Please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
Welcome back on our tram ride. Look to your right. These birds with huge beaks are the pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during the pelican chit-chat. Look out for the supermodels of the bird world. The Flamingo Lake is home to more than 400 greater and lesser flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking the Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events.
Jangan dikasihkan dia. Banyak burungnya itu loh.
Flamingo Rex.
Now, get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Coming up on the left, the Hawker Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Skies show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Catch the eagles, owls, and vultures in action as they amaze you with their powerful flight and agility. Find out what goes into caring for eggs and chicks at the Breeding and Research Center, located next to Hawker Arena. Each year, our bird nannies hand raise more than 100 chicks, including the critically endangered Bali myna and blue-throated macaw. Continue your journey on foot and visit Penguin Coast at the entrance. Look out for the king and humble penguins in
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end.